This house of hope, this is how we do this Christian rap.
Yeah, Jay Grinder, Big Jess in the building. You know what I'm saying? We about to do it like this. Hey, when it rain it pours, but all I do is grab the umbrella. No matter the situation, gotta hold it all together. It's on the bed for a moment, but it all get better. Paying dues, it ain't nothing to a winner. When it rain it pours, but all I do is grab the umbrella. No matter the situation, gotta hold it all together. It's on the bed for a moment, but it all get better. Paying dues, it ain't nothing to a winner.
Hey. Who am I? I'm the one that they always told you to watch out for. If a quark, I'm missing the candy bar and convenience. Still burning out from the scene. Just too late to turn back. I wasn't going for a Joe Biden. Police got me for Jay. They trying to stack charges seriously, showing me what I'm facing. All the time I was running, all the time they were chasing away. My dream reality is just a vision for me. When I wake up to see what walls that I can do now, I scream. Who am I? Who me? I'm still me. I've been through pain, love, war, and healing. I'm still me. I've been battered, abused, deceived, my soul is chopped, but I can't stop. I'm shining them on top.
When it rain it pours, but all I do is grab the umbrella. No matter the situation, gotta hold it all together. It's only bad for a moment, but it all get better. Paying dues, it ain't when it rain it pours, but all I do is grab the umbrella. No matter the situation, gotta hold it all together. It's only bad for a moment, but it all get better. Paying dues, it ain't nothing to a winner. When it rain it pours.
Hey, daddy beating mama, mama beating daddy. I grew up living so hard, the streets they love to have me. Full of mixed up emotions, I learned to roll a gun. And to moving by the ton, I became the street son. It was a hard life. Living there was some hard times, lost rhyme. My lost soul that's living blind, doing time. Too quick to just save my life. I wanted to live like God, but didn't want to act like Christ. That's when I got saved. Beginning of the road, hard paid, changes made. Just leading up to some better days, better ways. Yeah, living there, things are better. Successfulness getting set up. I get up and throw my hands up.
Yeah, get up and throw the hands up. Jesus Christ has been glorified. Jesus Christ has been glorified. So when it rain it pours, but all I do is grab the umbrella. No matter the situation, gotta hold it all together. Only bad for a moment, but it all get better. Paying dues, it ain't nothing to a winner.